Hello everyone! As you guys guessed or could see from the thumbnail, we are making some garden decor today. These are thrifted items that we are going to be turning into glass mushrooms. Super cute and definitely affordable. This couple of bowls that you'll see here, I just thought were so perfect for this thrift DIY. And the set was $4.95, and then there was a percentage off because of that sticker, the pink one, as well as this little vase that you're gonna see here. And then in a couple of seconds, you're gonna see the smaller vase that I'll be using too. Be sure to stay to the end because I am going to be, of course, revealing the final look of these, but also showing you guys I did some thrifted outside decor a couple of weeks ago, and I found these awesome little vases that I'm going to be just using as lighting in the backyard. So be on the lookout for that. And in the meantime, let's get to making these mushrooms. So I'm going to be using some Gorilla Glue, and it's clear. And then we're just gonna figure out how we want our mushrooms to look, if you want that turned up or down. And I think turning it downward is kind of neat because you could end up having some creatures in there because I will be putting these in the yard. So that's just a thought. Also, I do want to just let anybody know out there that's wondering, glass, sun, what might that do? If you're worried about that, be sure to put these in the shade or on a covered porch. I think these are going to end up being fine out where I'm going to be placing them, but I did just want to add that little disclaimer. Okay, let's get to the project, and I will see you guys when these are all finished.